Healing Meditation Words for Beginners of Meditation Chapter 11. 1. Why is there laughter? Why is there joy while this world is always burning? Why do you not seek a light, you who are shrouded in darkness? 2. Behold this painted image, a body full of wounds, put together, diseased, and full of many thoughts in which there is neither permanence nor stability. 3. This body is worn out, a nest of diseases and very frail. This heap of corruption breaks to pieces, life indeed ends in death. 4. What delight is there for him who sees these white bones like gourds cast away in the autumn? 5. Of the bones a citadel is made, plastered over with flesh and blood, and in it dwell old age and death, pride and deceit. 6. The splendid chariots of kings wear away. The body also comes to old age, but the virtue of the good never ages, thus the good teach to each other. 7. A man who has learned but little grows old like an ox. His flesh increases but his knowledge does not grow. 8. I have run through a course of many births looking for the maker of this dwelling and finding him not. Painful as birth again and again. 9. Now are you seen, O builder of the house, * you will not build the house again. All your rafters are broken, your ridge pole is destroyed. The mind, set on the attainment of nirvana, has attained the extinction of desires. 10. Men who have not practiced celibacy, proper discipline, who have not acquired wealth in youth, pine away like old cranes in a lake without fish. 11. Men who have not practiced celibacy, who have not acquired wealth * in youth, lie like worn-out bows, sighing after the past.